Hello, my name is Adela Moses Ebele Dokas, a deep tech cohort 1 fellow in the Advanced Data Analysis and Visualization Learning track.
My name is Charisma Anoluapo Ruth. I'm a cohort 1 deep tech fellow in Advanced Data Analysis and Visualization Learning track.
My name is Yusuf Mukhtar, a member of the Emr Alert team.
For my teammates and I, this problem is not abstract, it's home. We live in Kogi State, one of the hardest hit areas whenever floods strike in Nigeria. And at the same time, we've also seen how droughts devastate families in northern Nigeria, leaving farmers without harvest and entire communities without water. We've seen neighbors lose their houses, farmers watch their crop wash away, and entire communities displaced overnight. And we've also seen how drought in the north pushes people into hunger and migration. So for us, these disasters are not just numbers in the news, they are stories of families we know, friends we grew up with, and streets we walk every day. That is why this solution matters to us.
The app is meant to provide 4 basic functions to the users. As you can see, we have logged in as an ordinary user. We also have an admin page as well. So now, if you notice, the 4 basic functions is weather and prediction, report an emergency, safety guide, and find a shelter. Under the weather and prediction, the individual puts in their weather and gets weather forecasts and make predictions. Now, the prediction is made based on an ML model which was initially built and also using weather forecast for a period of time to determine. As you can see, it's presented in a way that it can be analyzed by anybody and it gives its prediction. So based on its analysis, it can determine whether there is risk of flood or drought. Here, the user can also send a message directly to the admin. Now, the second function is report an emergency, where a user can have already pre-filled the message. So we're going to send it now. Let me just add number 1 to it. So you see send a report. Now what happens is that it sends the report to the email of the admin, so they will know that yes, as you can see, it has the one there. That's the additional message in which I added. Now the user can also upload picture in case an emergency is happening. Now the user can send a message and upload picture, and we can react fast enough by alerting the right agency. The other aspect is safety guide, where a user can constantly get tips of what to do when there is flood or drought. As you can see, the more you click, the more it changes. The last one is find a shelter. Here, a user can put their state, their local government, and when we get an address where people can go to for shelter, which can be used by NGOs and many organizations, the information is filled there, including a phone number where the user can contact for help. So here now, if there's any flood, they will know exactly where to go to. Now, the admin page is very similar to the user page, but in addition, we tend to get information like each user that makes an analysis, we get the data here in which we use to improve our model. We can also send SMS to user in bulk in case there's need for emergency message or potential flood coming up, which is easier to reach people. And we can send bulk emails as well. We can also get the details of those that have registered to allow us know who to contact if there's any problem. And such information can be downloaded in a CSV file for further analysis. And also, like I said, improve our model.